Okay, this is what's going on with a baby pin that's pretty much heat treated now, pure. Blue light is speaking with the radio in there, the microwave. You can't see it yet. There's my radio. It's on 102.1, marking 30 seconds. 29, mark. What you're going to see next is arcing between a hood of aluminum with microwave energy and a steel baby pin, making purple light. It's a purple light bulb. It's a goddamn purple light bulb. Here it goes. Oh, I can't believe I unplugged it. How did I do that? Well, the radio's still on. Okay, we're gonna go through this together. See, that's my hookup. There's the microwave plug. I adjusted it. I think I just burned out the microwave. Yep. So sorry. It's the first microwave I ever busted. At least I know what happened. It had too much time to cool. There's my hookup. I had a purple light bulb that I didn't have to screw in.